Alright guys, we'll go to the 4th update on Tropical Cyclone Cheneso. As you can see on the satellite imagery, not looking too bad at the minute. On the satellite imagery, it's looking pretty decent. And we are expecting some additional strengthening. Currently, eye temperature is around 11 degrees. So that is just from satellite imagery. So it is getting into the positives, surprisingly. It's likely not going to stay like that for long, though. It's probably going to close up soon. Microwave imagery is suggesting there's not even a fully developed eye wall yet. Or the microwave imagery that I could get, but currently not looking too bad on satellite imagery. And currently the storm has maximum sustained winds of 90 miles per hour, that is 80 knots, gusting with winds of 110 miles per hour, a pressure of 970 millibars, and it is quasi-stationary at the minute. And basically what that means is it's just going to be wobbling around. As this latest update brought to you by Curtis Simplified. So take a look at the estimates here. The ATCF forecast system at 80 miles per hour. JTWC following suit with 80 miles per hour. ADT just recently updated, going with 100 miles per hour. SATCOM going with 80 miles per hour. And my analysis currently at 90 miles per hour. Like I said, I am going to be rounding from now on. And yeah, I got an 87 mile per hour reading, and we round that up to 90. Anything to the 5, we round up. Anything below 5, we round down. Taking a look at the JTWC forecast cone here. We can see they're expecting a peak of 100 knots, which would equate to 150 miles per hour still. They're still expecting that peak, and we can see that pretty rapid weakening while it turns extra tropical. That peak is likely to occur within, I think that is the next 24 to 48 hours, and wind gusts could be up to 125 knots, so very powerful wind gusts as well within the storm system if that were to occur. And at this stage, it's just going to be mainly a wave threat. It's not even really going to be a threat to any land anymore. Maybe a minor wind threat to parts of southwestern Madagascar. Take a look at the GFS ensembles, and we can see that rapid strengthening still to 958 millibars averaged. And the actual GFS model is going with a pressure of 950 millibars. So very rapid strengthening, but we can see no landfall expected from any of the ensembles. It's just going to go extra tropical, not going to be a threat to land, and this is literally the best case scenario we could have hoped for. Taking a look at some visible imagery here, we can see the storm looking very good on satellite imagery. Convection's okay, we're around minus 60 degrees. It's not the best. In some spots getting up to minus 70, but that is about it at the best. It is probably because it is not really moving at the minute. Once the storm starts to get its move on, though, we will be seeing that strengthening. Upwelling is probably starting to get to the storm, and that's why we could be seeing some potential weakening kick in pretty soon. That eye may start to close up. I mean, could be seeing some weakening due to the storm being stationary. Currently, wind shear is absolutely perfect, around 10 knots, 10 to 15 knots. That is very, very favourable. It could even drop to potentially 0 knots. If you want to believe some of the other models. And yeah, currently wind shear, it is in an absolute incredible environment. Sea surface temperatures are the warmest in the South Indian Ocean basin, where the storm is currently 30 degrees, 29 degrees where the storm is. Just off the coast of Madagascar there, we're talking 31 degrees. Extreme sea surface temperatures, which can cause rapid strengthening. Take a look at some true colour floater imagery. We can see very nice. It is looking very good banding for the system as well. Good rotation. Decent outflow, to be fair. Inflow is just streaming in to the storm. Inflow is very good. It looks like it is an inflow dominant storm, just looking at that imagery, but outflow is still pretty dominant there. It's looking pretty good, that's all I can really say. The storm's likely going to be starting to strengthen quite a bit more, and we could be seeing that category 3 peak. Anyway, thank you for watching this update on Tropical Cyclone Cheneso. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.